Good morning, children. Hope you all have finished question and answer and revision 1 and revision 2 of chapter 1 and chapter 2 given to you in the previous videos in your EVS copy. Today we'll start chapter 3 sense organs and the theme is about me. Students, you have already learnt body parts names, their functions in the previous videos. Among those body parts, there are 5 organs or body parts which are together known as our sense organs. We get a lot of information about various things in our surroundings through our sense organs. We have 5 sense organs: the eyes, the nose, the ears, the tongue, the skin are our sense organs. They help us in many ways. Let's learn more about them. Let's start with our first sense organ, that is eyes. The eyes are one of the most important and delicate sense organs of the body. We can see many things with our eyes. We have 2 eyes. We can able to know many important things of an object such as the shapes, the size and the color of the object with the help of our eyes. Means eyes help us to know the shape, size and color of the objects. The knowledge we gain through our eyes are the shape of things, the size and space or volume of thing, the color of things, the distance between two things, whether they are far or near, the height of things. Now let's move to the second sense organs, that is nose. Nose help us to smell. It also helps us to breathe. We have one nose. We can smell things through our nose. Some things smell sweet while some stink, means unpleasant smell. The difference in the smell can be known through our nose. So we gain the knowledge of sweet smell, bad smell. We can recognize a thing by its smell. Now let's know about third sense organ, that is ears. Ears help us to hear. We have 2 ears. We can hear different sounds through our ears. We get a lot of information about various things in our environment through our ears. We are able to know the level, nature and direction of the sound through our ears. We can recognize a person by his or her voice. For example, you can easily recognize your father only by hearing his voice or sound, isn't it? We can recognize the things by hearing the sounds. Only by hearing the horn of the vehicles, we can tell whether it is a car or truck, whether it is a bus or bicycle. We can also recognize high, unpleasant sound or melodious, pleasant voice. We can also recognize loud sound or soft sound. The direction of the sound we can also recognize through the hearing sense, or we can able to know from where the sound is coming only by hearing the sound. Now let's know about our fourth sense organ, that is tongue. Tongue help us to taste the food we eat. We have one tongue. We taste the thing or food with the help of our tongue. Look at the picture showing the knowledge we gain through the tongue. We can taste different things. We can gain the knowledge through our tongue are sweet, bitter, sour, salty. Now let's move to the fifth sense organ, that is skin. Skin help us to feel. We have skin all over the body. We can feel the things through the contact of the skin. We can able to know the shape, surface and the temperature through the contact of our skin. The knowledge we gain through the contact of our skin are cold, hot, soft, hard. Only through our skin or using our sense of touching we can able to know whether the object is cold or hot, whether the object is soft or hard. By touching, we can easily say that cotton is soft while stone is hard. Likewise, ice is cold and tea is hot, isn't it? Without seeing anything, we can able to tell the thing's name only through the contact of our skin or sense of touching. Here we have finished our third chapter, sense organs. Now let's know some points to remember. We have 5 sense organs. Our sense organs are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. So children, you can see some words are underlined here in page number 12 and page number 13. Today's homework is underline the important words of page number 12 and 13 in your EVS book. Read the chapter Sense Organs loudly 2 times. Write down 5 sense organs names and points and let's go over in your EVS copy 2 times. This is all about the chapter Sense Organs. We will discuss the exercise question and answer in our next video. Till then, stay healthy. Thank you.